The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. This is yet another quote from the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. Stay tuned after the bumper to get a list of stocks that I will be purchasing this week.
Get the money. Get the money.
The stock market is still near record highs, but there are opportunities that exist. With some research, due diligence, and patience, double-digit returns are possible. Without further ado, let's go over the stocks that I'll be purchasing this week. First up is GoodRx. They have an app that allows users to compare prices of various medications, and they're able to obtain a coupon in which they're able to present to pharmacists to get discounts on medication. Some users are able to save up to 80% off some of their prescription medication. The stock has seen a significant pullback over the last couple of weeks. This was partially due to their customer base showing a sensitivity to the pandemic. In March, they had about 5 million users. This dropped to about 4.2 million users in April. They've since seen a resurgence, and they now have 4.9 million users. They've also seen a pullback in pricing because Amazon has made their way into the pharmacy market, and they are believed to be a competitor of GoodRx, even though GoodRx is denying this claim at this time. Nevertheless, GoodRx is a long-term play, especially with a price of $33.76 per share. Next, you have NIO. They are a Chinese electronic vehicle maker. Their third quarter earnings beat estimates. They delivered 12,206 vehicles in the third quarter. This represented a 154% increase year over year and an 18% increase quarter over quarter. They delivered 5,055 vehicles in October, and this was yet another record for them. Their ES6 is the fastest selling electronic SUV in China. This has been the case for 13 consecutive quarters. Their ES8 is the #1 selling premium SUV in China this year. They plan to deliver anywhere from 16,500 to 17,000 units in the fourth quarter of this year. Their profit margins are expected to increase as they leverage their resources. At $45.06 a share, they're definitely a good value and a stock that I plan to buy. Last but not least, there's Tesla. They have continued to defy logic and grow at a fast pace. They recently announced that they would be joining the S&P 500, and this only fueled the demand for their shares. They are a play on technology as well as a behemoth in the electronic vehicle market. They finally turned a profit, and this should be the case for the foreseeable future. They have quickly amassed a market share that's greater than that of General Motors, Fiat Chrysler, and Ford combined. Sure, there will be a pullback in their stock, but at $486.64 a share, there's still value in their stock. Many analysts still see this as a growth stock, and there's no reason why I should disagree with them. Please know that I've done my due diligence on these stocks, and for me, they show value. But at the same time, you still need to do the research and based on your portfolio, decide whether or not these stocks are good for you. If you like information like this, please hit that like button, please subscribe, please hit that notification bell so you can get future videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and get the money.